The Spirit of God always affirms the Word of God, meaning when the Spirit moves, it is affirming the Holy Bible and what is written about God. Meaning the Bible is to be trusted, the Bible is to be studied, the Bible is to something to hold close. The problem is that people will make theological stances on things that the Bible doesn't answer, things that we don't know, and we won't know until the other side of eternity. But they'll make the stance as if like that is the answer. And I mean, it's like I have theological stances that I stand very firm on, but it's not the answer. Like I won't know until the other side of eternity, but I'm making that stance. But I'm not going to sit there and tell you that that's the answer, because we won't know until the other side of eternity. So be okay with not having all the answers biblically.